Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Just have a massive jug of tea. Yeah, let's just wait a few minutes. I will go to the dark here. Yeah, let's just make me brighter. Uh, I sound like smarter person. Yeah, let's just remove that. I don't know, what's this even? Oh, yeah, I was asking my AI to refactor. Why is this handle clear? Okay, so we have, what's this one changing? So we have like some two. Yeah, sometimes my AI generated code is interesting. Okay, so I just refactored 1,000 lines of code just in one prompt. Although I asked it to do it, and like if I was actually writing it, that would probably work the same. Yeah, let's do that. Is this already refactored? Yeah, I was just refactoring some of my code. And I had like this idea that's actually running with me for last few days. But let's just pick up on it in a minute. Let me just allow a couple of people to come in and start making buzz, and also make sure that everything works correctly. Yeah, yeah, uh, yeah, yeah. We can slowly start starting. Basically, I was just doing a refactor of my code, and I was trying to actually get one component, business table. Good. Because I was reusing same table multiple times, so at least I started actually started combining them into one. And obviously, done, created business table, single merged components accepting, blah blah blah. Okay, let me just do the Discord. I think there was some. I don't know, is this this is my buddy here. Okay, I will speak to this guy later. Oh, let's change this logo. I feel like I moved on from this logo. I evolved. Where do I change logo here? Code and hustle. It's probably here. Oh, where is the logo? Yeah, I'm just waiting for a couple of more people to join in. It's like I just had like a good idea of a. I was just thinking about uh, something that I will be talking in a minute once I change my server profile. Yes, is this it? No. Edit profile. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Three people. Good. Hello. Hey, Soul Panda. How are you? How are you now? Okay, let's just start. Let's just start the topic. I was just like thinking, because I obviously love AI and I love AI coding. I love AI programming. 100% without even like questioning it. I think it's the best thing since wherever. And it helped me build this app. So, cancel. Helped me build this app, which is pretty good, I think. Although not without bugs. Why is it so slow? Oh no. Yeah, I'll have to look into this thing. Yeah, it's not obviously full of bugs. I will be fixing them next few days. But I was just thinking, like, let's say I build this app, which is called Planner, it's like, say it becomes successful. So I've created this app with AI agent, and I kept on asking him to do new things, and like then the next thing, and like upgrading it, improving, fixing, making them better. And like I was just thinking, like if let's say someone gets my history of those chats, let's say it's an insider from a company. So in my case, like this is a, I don't know, co-pilot, like Microsoft guy, or someone in Claude, yeah. And he gets the history of my chats. Would he be able to recreate my app and steal my business, basically? Obviously, like he doesn't have like a keys to my thing. So I was just like, I was asking, like, even I prompted this with ChatGPT to see like, oh, what do you think? So let's say that someone has my full prompt history, and so like it's everything, you know. So it's my entire design process, you know. So if I insider of AI agent company copied all the prompts, they might see things like, and let's say I didn't really make anything stupid like pasting like keys to my Stripe or to my server or to my database. Let's say I didn't do anything that stupid, but then I prompted everything through. So like he has my entire product design process, architecture decisions, you know, database schema, API structures, algorithms, whatever, you know, feature roadmap. It knows all my features that they are there. Whatever I was debugging, internal logic, sometimes even source code snippets, you know, because I'm pasting them on. Gemini is like LLL 20 times. I don't really understand that league. If you can expand. So let's say someone gets my full history of that, and then, you know, so it's like a development diary, you know. I wrote down everything I created I wrote down everything that I went through in order to complete that task. Okay, sorry, I might have a, sorry, I'll just pick up the phone for a second. Hello? Dzień dobry. Tak. No. Tak, wszystko działa jak trzeba. Tak, jeszcze muszę podejść z pieniędzmi. To nie wiem, albo jutro rano mogę, albo jakoś tak może żona jutro albo pojutrze. Aha, okej. Jakbym, to znaczy teraz trochę jestem zajęty w tej chwili, więc dopiero gdzieś skończę za godzinę, nie? A jutro muszę pojechać na jakieś 2 dni, więc a mogę przelać pieniądze na konto, czy na jakiegoś blika, czy coś? Jasne, jasne. No. Okej, to spróbuję podejść za jakąś godzinę, okej? Tak? Mhm. No. Mhm. Mhm. Jasne. Aha, to jest ta taka, gdzie rozumiem, rozumiem. Hmm. Dobra, to ją przeniosę. No i spróbuję podejść za jakąś godzinkę, może półtorej, dobrze? Dobra, dzięki. Tak? Tak, wszystko wygląda dobrze. Nie cieknie tam nic. Wszystko dobrze. Dobra, dzięki. Hi, sorry guys. I had a phone from a plumber. So I was actually talking about like if someone gets my full prompt history, can they recreate my app? And I feel like yes, he can actually, and that's even like what I asked my AI agent, like the you know, wherever, Copilot or GPT, whatever. So yeah, in some cases they could actually, like, you know, someone could just recreate my entire app. It obviously, they have information, what are the features, how the system works, what things I tried, yeah, and abandoned, you know, some internal tools, some growth experiments. If I was a bit silly, you know, I would probably give him some errors that I was getting. I do that all the time. He would have my full history of deployment, so he could just change use the same same server provider, and just like have just change the one or two parameters, and the entire app could be recreated almost. I mean, you know, the thing is, like, also the prompt history, obviously, like each prompt will be interpreted differently, so it's not 100% the same. But it's actually like, it's kind of scary. I was just thinking about it. Like, let's say I create a successful app, and then someone from Microsoft or from, OpenAI just like takes the entire history of my stuff, and just, gets, throws it into Claude, throws it into like any other thing. Like, what would they actually, could they steal my business? Yeah, and that sounds like a scary thought, isn't it? Yeah, I know. I was just thinking about that while I was refactoring some of my other code. Hello, how are you? One day and still confused. I am. Gemini is LLL 20 times. So it wasn't my one day and still confused in own. I don't know. So I'm just reading the chat, and I thought it wasn't my one day and still confused in own thoughts. Don't know. Unfortunately, I was trying to read what's in chat and didn't really catch that. And Pankaj, good to see you again. Thanks for coming back. Sorry, I was on the phone. I have to pay a plumber for his wonderful job. But yeah, like in the meantime, like sometimes I'm kind of wondering, like how much it's a stupid thing to build entire app with AI. It's like if it's successful, like I don't know, maybe they're right that the SaaS is dead. Oh, they actually deleted business customer stable and business supplier stable. 2,300 lines total, replaced by single 430 line file. AI agent company can also be our finalized code. App owner. Yeah, like I mean, what stops them actually from owning it, everything, or just copying it, just like copying it and changing the icons. Yeah, they have code, and it's not like, obviously Microsoft has my code, so someone could steal it there. But they're like with with AI agents, it's slightly different, I think, because like if I have someone's repository, I still have to know how it works. And if it's just like a prompt history, it would just whip out the new app and stuff. Yeah. Are you guys building stuff with AI? Is this something that you are thinking about? Leonard? More about this channel. Oh, nothing on the channel, unfortunately. Did you? Oh, someone's writing. Good. Some activity on the Code and Hustle Discord channel, which is the best place to actually communicate about some projects that you are building, and it seems to be growing. So we've got 44 users. Hello, I have created a small demo of the program I mentioned. Good to see you. Is it available to open some link? Subscribe, by the way. Obviously, it's there. It's there. This is a nice pen I had from my last job. Sometimes, when you change the job, you get such a nice package. Right now, I'm on Versal, but I will host after some UI changes. Yeah, let's see. Speak or write anything. Oh, I remember this one. I want to write a message about my project idea, but my writing not very good. Oh, okay, so it start dictating. The idea is about tool that help people improve text quickly, write their work. Maybe it should explain the concept clearly and sound more professionally. So can we improve writing? I won't write a message about my project idea, but my writing while they work. Maybe it should explain. Oh, okay. I was dictating. Was it? I was reading stuff. Oh, maybe I wasn't. Listening. I want to start dictating. Okay, start dictating? No? Okay, am I dictating or not? So now it's supposed to be dictating, but it turns off. Yeah, okay, I can't dictate. So now, oh, it's supposed to be dictating, but it turns off. Start dictating now. And improve writing. I want to write. What do I do now? Okay, I can't figure it out. Are you like on the live stream? On the live stream. You could walk me through, my friend. Yeah, okay, let's just copy this to the chat. That's my Discord, obviously. Yeah. Yeah, I can't figure it out. Something broken. I might be a dummy, obviously. I might not be the smartest guy out there. But it's always like, you know, when you get new software, it's always, you still have to learn it. So, start dictating. Leah is thinking, I want to write a message. Also, should I feel natural, easy to understand? Clear sounds more professional. I want to write a message about my project idea, but my writing isn't very polished. Don't know. Don't know. There are commands written in the right control space. Control space. Yeah, I am using it. I don't know. It seems to be. Okay, so it keeps on adding at the end of it. But why would I? Why would I use this? It keeps on adding to the end of the my text. Improve writing. I don't know. I want to write a message about my project idea, but my writing isn't very polished. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so it improved writing for the previous stuff. Can I remove oh yeah, I can remove that. Good. I want a dictating something, not best, very no. I don't know what doing I am, but I'm pressing buttons. Sometimes works and not works sometimes. Okay, let's just, so now it's supposed to, oh, okay, so I'm not really, stop listening. Okay. Okay, improve writing. Okay, let's see. Let's start over. Now I'm supposed to be okay. It's supposed to be okay. So I'm not really stopping listening. I want to dictate something, not best, very no. Did it think improve my writing? I don't know. But that's a what was your name? I think was it Muhammad? Yeah. I can't figure yeah, I'm pressing buttons. I'm desperate. Make it professional. Let's make it professional. Okay, let's start over now. It's supposed to be okay. Let's just remove this part. Now everything should be fine. I'm not actually stopping, just listening. I want to dictate something, not the best. Definitely not. I'm unsure what I'm doing, but I'm pressing buttons. Okay. Yeah. It's always fun actually when people ask me to like uh, judge the app. Don't know. Like, do you guys want like I will share it on the chat if you want to play with it. If someone can figure it out for me. Basically, like obviously, like it can improve my writing. So like if I'm dictating, it's supposed to do or make it more professional. Let's see if it can summarize my thing. Okay, so it summarized it into more text. Yes, now it's supposed to be okay. So probably fine. I want to dictate. I don't know. Okay, the user is attempting to dictate something, but expresses uncertainty and frustration. Starting over, they clarify. They are not stopping, but listening. Want to dictate something, not necessarily perfect. Process while processing buttons. Okay, I think that's actually my summary. Yes, so that's probably summary of what I was actually doing. But then like it keeps on like throwing it in the middle. Compose text, yes. Too, but it seems to be adding it in the middle of the text. Yeah, I don't know. Speak with Leah. Start speaking and Leah writes the text for you when the no text is selected. Nice. I mean, it's obviously like it has potential, that kind of app. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do with it now. So it can improve my writing. That's nice. So I can dictate and it will improve. Although like it just kind of pasted it somewhere in the middle. Oh, yeah. So like if I summarize, let's just can I summarize again? Yeah, it's just like added a lot somewhere in the middle. Yeah, I don't know. When I press my summary somewhere in the middle. Fun. Do you guys have anything to show? I'm always open for people to display their stuff. I'm thinking about making like, I don't know if I'm popular enough to bring enough people to some sort of a contest of people showing their apps, and maybe they could display them and they could be judged, those apps, and then someone, yeah, I don't know, just remove everything, then write something that whatever you want. Okay, but I don't want to be writing now everyone should be fine. Yeah, okay. And what if okay, so probably if I press summarize, now it will paste it here. Now everything should be fine. I'm not actually stopping, just listening. I want to dictate something, but it didn't summarize it. Yeah, I'm unaware what I'm doing, but try again. Okay, so like I make it professional. Now everything should be in order. Yeah, I don't know, I keep on breaking. Select text and click Control Space. Okay, so I'm doing this, Control Space, and now it's doing it. Now everything should be in order. Okay, let's try again. No, I don't get that. I don't get that. Yeah, don't know. Yeah, let's just invite the guy. I mean, the thing is like, something that I can't figure out based on what it does. I'm just kind of pressing. I'm doing what he says it's supposed to do. I do like selected text, refine, instruct. Don't know. Let's translate it to Hindi. Okay, nice. And I have it in Hindi. It's a beautiful language actually. It's a beautiful alphabet. Look how pretty those shapes look. I obviously can't read them, but yeah, they look pretty. Maybe it would be, and this is probably European. This is normal I. Control space and give commands. Hey, make a Hindi or write mail about it. Control space. Hey, write me a mail about how I hate my boss. Okay, that's done. That's in Hindi. Yeah, I don't know. Let's make my app better. Let's just make my app improved, because basically I have to still do a couple of things to my app, a couple of fixes. Did anyone play with this app? With this what was the name? With this thing? Go to site. Yeah, did anyone actually make this work? And what am I doing now? Okay, I think I pressed. No, I Discord. Maybe I should have. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I think like this can wait. And where do I change? I was thinking about like, where can I change logo? That's actually not something that I want to do myself. No, it's just like playing with someone's app is not always as fun. Oops. Oh, I don't know. How do I change this? Main profile? No. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so now that I know that my AI agents company, like the Copilot, Microsoft can steal my idea and make it themselves with my list of prompts. Kind of makes it almost pointless to write apps now with AI, especially. Like obviously that maybe they're not doing it. You know, obviously like for Microsoft to bother with small app like mine would not be a best use of their time, I guess, and their resources. But if someone has like really huge app built by multiple agents from the same company, and if they got hold on of all the prompts by multiple developers, yeah, I wonder how it would work. Would it be something stealable, something that someone could actually take and use in their app? Um, we can try. Okay, in my tables, when I try to change the last item, my confirm and decline buttons for the are shown are not shown. I have to scroll side. Can we have some automatic scroll to view so they visible. Yeah, let's see if it can figure it out. Basically, like when I'm changing this one, like the thing moves here, and then the buttons are here. So just like it's not very good user friendly. It's not very UX in my way. Supplier help. Okay, this is fixed. Oh, okay. I want to add a number to the column, so you can actually add you can add a number to the number column. It's like order number. So I'll probably have to do it as well. This will be, let's see if it's actually gonna figure this one out. This would be actually really nice addition. Like very tiny, but nice. When the column is on the side, it would just scroll to the left. Oh, so it's in editable cell. Let's see if I update this and I'm editing that one. Okay, so it didn't do that. It doesn't seem to be working. If my set is in the last column and I start editing it, it's the entire table probably scroll horizontally to right to include the cell with its action buttons. Yeah, you didn't fix the shit. You didn't fix shit, my friend. You didn't do that. So stop celebrating. Claude. I wonder how much credit I've got on this Claude thing. I have to like jump to cheaper module. Snooze. Oh, premium requests. Okay, I didn't really. Yeah, that's fine. I have plenty. It's already half of month, and I used less than like 20%. So I can start wasting them on Claude. Come on, work. Oh, inline end. I'm realizing that inline end aligns. Okay, let me check button component forward ref, which would explain why the current fix isn't working. Oh, okay, so it's supposed to be working. So you were celebrating that it works, but it didn't really. Yeah. I think I didn't play music for a while. Obviously, like in terms of like stealing my apps, also my audience can steal my apps. But I really hope they don't do it. You know, I really hope they're gonna be nice and just not steal my ideas. They should build their own ideas. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, again, nothing here, nothing improved. Nope. Or when I toggle the column at the edge, it makes the so when I toggle the cell, toggle the add the column in the column at the edge, I would expect my table to scroll right, so my accept icon are revealed. This is actually hard, to be honest. Like this is like, you know, all those ref actions where you're just like, yeah, I think that stuff is obviously a bit harder than usually. Yep, expands it, but it's not really reaching far enough. Yeah, how are you today, guys? Was it busy? A lot of work? A Sunday or oh, my daughter. I was actually with my daughter today on a violin class, and she plays Smooth Criminal very nicely, actually. She's very good at this. If you like those stories, make sure to subscribe. You press the subscribe button, it will just go by one up, which is a nice animation. I really like that. And also, that might be a lie, but you might actually live longer when you press subscribe. I think that's what happened, but I'm not 100% sure. It's something worth exploring. I think that's good. Should I have like the top of the window? Yeah, somewhere here. And also make sure to comment and like those videos. Obviously, you know, it obviously makes my work more interesting. My talking favorite song actually is this one. Yeah, so yeah, I basically don't really know how to explain this to my agent. Yeah. For now, in what's the name of this delivery table? My last column is a custom. When I toggle it to change value, it makes it wider, and the buttons go too far to the right. Obviously they go Nazi because they are too far to the right. Very good political joke, isn't it? Too far to the right. We should try scrolling right. Oh. Scrolling the entire table right by a bit, so the button icons are visible. Yeah, I don't know. Some things like you can easier explain to humans than to machines, and obviously this is obviously like to a human you would just show it and he would know. Oh yeah, I just needs to scroll. But in this case, it's really not. I'm not sure actually. I think like the only way I can see that is by keep like prompting it until it gets it right. Or maybe I can change the agent. Do you have like any other? I don't really like those codecs, those GPT. They're quite like they built too much code, I think. Yeah. Maybe music should be a bit less. Yeah, maybe. Why it's so quiet on the chat? Like obviously it's always more fun when people are asking questions. This music is so romantic, you know? It's like, yeah. If she wasn't so pretty, I would not get married. They're singing. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, so this is wider basically. So I think like it just doesn't get the concept that, you know, scroll to view basically. Scroll the furthest edge. I wonder what are they called actually, even those buttons. Oops. Nope. Let's toggle it. Yeah, this is... How do I... sometimes selecting those items is so hard. Oh, okay, so that's editable, and then... You can react, you get like plenty of those. Like, there's just so many layers, it's almost impossible to find one that I'm interested in. No, no, no. No, I don't know. I'm just trying to find where is this component in the profiler, in components. Like here, yeah. So like I'm looking for the entire thing, yeah. This is like so much. Yeah, here. So let's remove select. Oh, okay. So we got one button, check and X. Yeah. Yeah, can I? Oh, it did something, I think. Oh. Oh, okay, so it just like made it. Yeah, good. I think that's a solution. Although if someone gets too many columns, it might actually not work so well. But that's better. Okay, seems to be working. Um, oh, we should or we should not. There's also whatever. Yeah, good, great. Yeah, good. It's smart enough to know that when I'm saying that it seems to be working, it kind of doesn't do any more work. I want to do other thing as well. I want to add. How is it called in English when you have just like a also optional column, which would just be first column to the left, and this would just be I don't know if I can polish how it's translate English to Polish and other way around. It's like a liczba porządkowa, ordinal number. Just left with ordinal number would by default not be toggle on, but would be available on in all of the tables. available tables. But, customizing. Yeah, good to see you guys. I think there's more people now than there was before, so it's good to see you. If you didn't subscribe, that's this number likes to grow. Obviously, enjoy when it grows, and like sometimes it's growing very quickly. So today, like, it's my first time I'm on live stream. So I had a podcast in the morning, and I had like one subscriber who unsubscribed by the end of the podcast. And then later I was just like, I don't know, I was just building something. And there was plenty of people coming in, and like I get like plenty of subscribers. And now I didn't get any again. So I don't know. It's like random always. The thing is like super random. Sometimes people just press that bloody button, sometimes they don't. And obviously they should be pressing all the time. Let's see what if my agent figures it out. What are we doing now? Okay, so the business pub already index for my first edit. That one succeeded. Supplier default columns. Just need ordinary prepended. Let me read the exact context. Yeah, okay. Both index and ordinal render for. Now let's see. Use column management. Okay. Oh, it took two other. Yeah, okay, apply. No, nothing here. Nothing to see, yeah? Oh, okay, I have to apply, obviously. Apply. No, I didn't apply. Apply. Yeah, okay. Let's see products. Yeah, ordinal. Oh, okay, it applies here. Yeah, okay. Seems to be fine. Some products seems to be working. Ordinal number, yeah. In clients, cancel. Yeah, okay, nothing. Yeah, let's see here. Apply. Okay, seems to be fine here. Here it didn't add it, yeah. Okay, so let's just keep now in. This is actually my mistake. I should be more careful with my agents. I shouldn't really allow them to diverge so much with different tables. They should all work the same. Now in my delivery table, I can toggle ordinal number column, but it doesn't seem to show up in the table. Yeah, And like on which one? So it didn't show here. And in products, yeah, I thought it's here. In clients, yeah, we don't have that. In delivery providers, I thought they're actually working the same. Delivery providers and clients, they're supposed to work the same. Look at, okay, no, not the old people, obviously, but the young people, they look sexy. Okay, so you have an ordinal number here, not here, and for some reason it doesn't seem to save it here. Apply it? No. Can I delete it? Okay, it can be deleted, obviously. Okay. It's still working on it. Yeah. It takes time, obviously. It's never quick. Hmm. Quick how it's often quickly takes uses your tokens, but in terms of like implementing stuff, it's not always that quick. So guys, are you worried about like like agent, like a Microsoft or OpenAI stealing your prompts and just making the apps? Or maybe someone from the company. I wonder if we will hear those cases soon. Like, oh, someone stole Figma's idea and recreated it here, you know? Someone stole someone's prompts. You know, sometimes we see on the LinkedIn where people are sharing their prompts. Usually it's something exciting, you know, like, you know, give me a response as if you were like CEO of a company, you know, then uh, or you know, make sure you respond as a software engineer. Mm. And it's supposed to improve it. Maybe it does, I don't know, but maybe it's a bullshit, obviously. Yeah, I don't know. Would they steal from me? Would some Altman employees steal my prompts? Would they steal my app? Obviously, like for me, I'm showing everything online, so they can probably steal mine. Oh, thanks somebody for subscribing. It's so nice. I thought I would finish this podcast without any new subscribers. Sometimes I'm getting plenty, and sometimes I'm getting none. So at least one is a good number. So I appreciate that. Thank you, whoever you are. And that's not subscribed. So thank you again. Oh, yeah, that's fun. Maybe my prompts weren't good enough for him. So, did you fix it? Let's try to apply it. So now it's showing here. Although I don't want it to be shown here. Yeah, let's just move it here. Apply. Okay. So good works. It we should not allow not no to delete from the table. It can just be toggled off. Do same for all tables. Also, so here, is it working in products? Yes. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be working in customers. It doesn't seem to show in customers. Oh, happy music, yeah. Mr. Subscriber and unsubscriber. I have this like I have changed like the logo of my channel, and so it's Code and Hustle like this. Although I don't know if it's visible enough. Maybe I should crop it even more, or maybe it should be C and H. It's bit little actually, a bit too small. Oh, I shouldn't press that. Sometimes I press it too quickly. Accept the code without even like looking if it works. Let's just like save this. Yeah. Again, such a happy song. Yeah, and the girls are happy and smiling, and guys are whistling. Oh, come on, you can fix it. I gave it too many tasks actually, so maybe that's my mistake. It's eating tokens today like crazy. I think I'm you know, my agent will. I have to be careful. Like when it gets like 75%, I should just jump to Grok. I don't want to be paying more. Like it's crazy for me that some people pay like hundreds of dollars for agents. I think it's a waste of money. But like basically, there's so much code you can review, or so much app like features that you can review. That's not even possible all the time to be following what your AI agent is doing. Like, you know, obviously, let's say you actually prompt something for your agent to do something. So if I had like 2 windows of prompts, each working on something in one moment and in the other, so maybe I would have enough time to actually test it all. But now, like, I don't know, like it would keep on working on different files and messing up my app all the time. Like even having 2 agents, and like I was checking, there's this like super popular guy. I mean, super popular, like much more popular than me. Like he does the same thing. Like he's building something, and he's using like 4 agents. Like, well, I don't know, like what can be achieved with that? I don't feel like you can. Like you can make 4 times as much. Like you can create 4 times as much code, but in terms of like quality of the features and like your app quality, yeah, I don't know if you can do that. I'm obviously kind of dummy in terms of like some AI coding, so I'm sure there are better people than me in that category. Let's see if my ordinary... Yeah, no, it doesn't work here. So it works here, yes. It should also always be first. Yeah, I can shift it obviously, but that's fine. And so your clients, yeah, so it's not here, unfortunately. It seems like ordinal number column has not been implemented in or maybe it's customers. Is this like a customers? In customers. I know it's reusing same table as delivery, but doesn't seem seem to show. Yeah, don't know. Kinda weird. Yeah, six people. Good. Nice number. Like it's. I kind of noticed that I'm currently on the live streams. I get, even when my energy is so low, like as now, I get twice as many people as a couple of weeks ago. So I don't know. I think it's a success. You know, I doubled, which is great. Maybe it's the music, or maybe it's my very entertaining software prompting. Apply. In all of the tables, let's have always. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine. So that's basically most of the stuff that my buddy asked me. Oh, actually, yeah, there's one more. Yeah, okay, so when I click this manage custom types, when the in all tables I have my custom column pop-up, there is a link to manage custom types, but doesn't me to settings to manage, yeah, to section my types in settings. Yeah, fix that AI. Make it work, please. Yeah, obviously this. Okay, does it save it? Apply. Didn't save it. So yeah, the ordinal again is not saved here. So if it's yeah, it doesn't seem to be saving. A worrying trend. Does anyone have like an app that you wanna show, guys? Already seen one from a fellow. I think I don't remember his name, to be honest. Discord. So we obviously played with an app that turns your speech into AI and fixes your errors, your mistakes, and makes your what you say pretty, or like technically correct. Oh, yeah, let's play my favorite song again. Yeah, so nice. Oh, okay, let's see my... Did it fix it? Okay. So now it should redirect me to... Yes, it does. And in deliveries... Yeah, okay. So here it doesn't seem to be saving it. Oh, it does. Will it save it? Okay, good. Now in deliveries table, it seems like my column or ordinal is showing is not saved, so I refresh, it disappears. Yeah, no, like that's the old. So that's all stuff that I wanted to implement from my friend. Like so, those are like minor things that my friend asked to implement in this app. It's obviously more for him, but he seems to be a very knowledgeable fellow on that topic. So I still hope that this is actually enough to not only for him but for other people as well, for other potential customers. And I think I will be finishing for today. I think that it was a nice evening, very quiet in terms of like people. Not many wrote to me. Not much going on in the chat, so I can go. There's also like in terms of subscribers, like it went out up by one and went down by one, so it's kind of funny. But that happens as well, you know. Some people change their mind, I guess. So yeah, that's fine. So yeah, thanks guys for coming. I think I managed to. I was actually like, so I managed to talk through my idea of, you know, potentially your app being stolen by your your AI agentic company, you know, whoever is developing, and it might not be by the company itself, but by some employees there. I was kind of wondering if it's possible, and I think it does. You know, it would be possible for someone to steal your prompts and like make your app. So maybe I will be more careful on what I'm giving to my AI. Obviously, like, you know, you shouldn't give your keys to your app and to your Stripe payments and stuff. That can be risky, but also it's good to be. Wow, this is a lot. It's like crazy. Yeah, well, that's AI. That's AI for me. I chose to write this app with AI, so I have to bear the consequences of crappy code. I have to accept that. Let's see if it's actually going to save it now. So I have my ordinal number. Move it here. Apply. Okay, so it's here. Let's just go here. So I have my numbers. Yeah, good. It's back. Let's see if if I move to the next page, will it still be number 2? Yeah, okay, so it's on for this page. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I'm done with today. I'm done for today. So I'm actually happy that, you know, it all worked. All worked hunky-dory, as they say. Everything was perfect. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for coming. Make sure to subscribe if you didn't so far. Join the Discord channel, like, comment, wherever. And check out my podcast from the morning. I think it was brilliant. That's my idea. It is also about AI coding and stuff. Should you learn technical stuff if there's AI? Like, why would you not use AI and like and learn and not learn it? Like, yeah. So that was the morning, which was good. So thank you guys for coming. It was nice time. Have a nice evening.